boy, this is a great turn event. Man is driving his car. Come back, lad. Chuck the driver. Boy, what a start to the night. We're gonna have a big change tonight. Big moves, big moves. Tell them what is your mission here. Flow it or don't flow it? Don't flow it? No flow it. Slam him, slam him. Slam it. Slam it, slam it. It's off. Hey, when some boost there, let me see the gauge. You ready? Do you think? Game changing moment tonight for Alex and myself. Dogs outside. What's going on, people? Welcome back. Good night. Welcome to, I didn't know what series to call this, but back to the projects. The C32 is coming home most likely tonight. Gonna get gas. And also, right, back to what I was saying, things is a little bit hectic for a little bit. We're gonna collect the C32 today. Most likely it's gonna come home by me, or most likely it's gonna be by the boys and them. Alex is driving his C33. Wow, and I missed that, so a customer calling him with C32. And we're gonna see what's taking place. The car is 100% running, however, my tank has been rusted out. And we're going on jerry rig, I'll see. So we're gonna see what takes place with that. But I'm excited. I'm kinda excited. Go see how things take place. Tonight is the night.
I wanna turn you on like pitch black. We had champagne in the studio, of course.
Where's that one?
Start, don't want to start, but I'm not going to come.
Back up at 5. Yeah, boy. Oh!
Want to smell like what? Yeah, I cannot smell it. Smell like what?
Morning, Alex. So before we get started, I'll just show this piece of antics here. Fresh fuel cell.
Yeah, that's good.
Make that way.
Show them the cap.
Yeah. You know, when you turn the cap, you say click clicks. Show them.
Click.
Clacks! Okay, get some light inside it. Deal with it.
Some falling. Who falling it?
I guess. From the Hey, something leaking out there, boy.
You was leaking, mate.
Don't feel so leaking, feel so have a bus.
Serious?
Yeah, boy.
But don't worry, I felt tired before I put it in.
Coolad.
Good.
But
Right,
yeah, coolad.
Well, we done in it. Last time I was recording this car, it was not running at all. It was being towed. The same, well, scene here. But you know what I say? Surprisingly, all these lights in this car working. I was excited for the little things. But she funny. Breeze and a dog. No AC, we are not compressor, but mine. Wait, I have to say thanks very, very much to all of my friends who's encouraging my shit and buying shit, putting them through shit to get my shit working. This is a shitty situation. It is very surprising to see that I actually got the C32 up and running. Now, although it has no hope in it, I have hope in it, hopefully. Yes, hopefully, but it's crazy to see it starting and running, taking a non-driving car with a lot of problems, get it started, and I didn't do none of this work on this car. I would admit I did nothing besides purchasing stuff. Alex is the one who did majority of the work in it and still had to end up doing a lot of work in it tonight. So we have one more shot, which is to head down the road. Once it is down at near home base, it's easy to go back and forward, and well, I have to find somewhere to park it. And since my car is doing body work on it, this could be at home parked up by me, which is not a problem. I'm just really glad to have it moving. I really thank Alex for this. He go watch this video, but I can't tell you what it is I have in store, but I have something in store for the tanks. I have something in store for the tanks. Not YouTube money, we ain't having that yet, but you know, something had to come out of the pocket. I really appreciate him for that. Can't believe this car running. That's a lot of patina, but we go sort that out. When we get down to the city lands, we'll see how things going. I'm feeling the left side and right side of this brakes binding for mine now. To record for me, so I gotta manage my scene until. Well, but I can't take out the film. Technical difficulties at the moment. A snake come out my fender, right? Yeah, a snake come out my fender, and then something was sparking up there as well.
I get our video.
Well, boy, so the badness is be rolling. Encounter we first problem. We have a bit of a heat issue. I really hope it didn't damage the engine, but the engine wasn't sounding bad. It's only after when I started to see the steam, I was like, oh. But remember this engine, well, transmission had to get sorted because it's stuck in second. So therefore, when I'm going a little faster, it tends to not change gear. But it's crazy though. We just fun. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Reminds me so much of Christmas time. Little bit of info. Christmas time I decided to go to the one with Alex in this C32. And whilst we were trying to get it moving, we were having some problems and some knocking. Not engine or pertaining to it. However, this was around the time, this is around the night, Or we was having issues. Something is coming very fast. That look like a fucking big truck. Yeah, so you know. But it's real nice to see. I ain't gonna lie. It's really nice to see. And I am glad. Look where I is on the highway. I'm gonna climb up on top of the culvert before. I am glad to see that this car reached this far. I'm really hoping nothing is wrong with it. Ah! Yeah, we got my pro one time! And it's really crazy to see that this car is running all thanks to Alex again, right? Alex C33 is working. The C32 is working. Well, of course his brother Kaiser was working, but you know, to see it this far? Yeah, boy. I appreciate everybody for joining on to the support. I know all they want to see the A31. I love the A31, but you know, I need some things to get worked out. But this is excitement. Right, so whilst we had time to kill and please kind of quiet, Alex, what's going on here? What do you really do?
You can mount up, alright, okay. You radiator belt boost.
The radiator belt? The water pump?
Hose
right,
boost.
right.
And
The water pump belt.
apparently, I don't know how hot the water was, but it melted out the alternator belt or something, so, or the alternator belt probably burst on its own.
Well, I was smelling rubber, but I didn't know if it was the. I don't know if it was the rubber underneath that was hanging.
It could be from that. If it's
Right.
rubber, I seen rubber on it. So
Okay.
something bad in that area. But yeah, that can happen to anybody, dog. But
There's a fucking roach. Bumbleclad.
huge far.
Huge hell far. Hey, as I tell you, that roach and that snake, what other critters could come out in here, boy?
A rat.
Don't fuck me up. We had the whole Grandy stretch to, you know, view. I could walk out in the middle of the road. I could come across here. I hear cars coming up, so I ain't gonna bother to stand in no more. But what are the challenges you face with this car? This far? Right. Tank. Rusted.
Injectors.
Right.
Plug as fuck.
Right.
But we still pushing it because it's an on-turbo engine.
Right.
It shouldn't hurt it all that much.
Exhaust cam trigger.
Yeah, exhaust cam, keyway for it brake.
Keyway brake.
So we manually set the timing. When I say we, I mean me. But maybe I do it wrong, who knows.
Mainly everything done with
But
Alex.
we will see. When we clear the injectors, we will see.
And
But
the rain
car
is
was
coming.
running Fine. Rain is coming. Tonight get
Whoa!
more fun.
Can't get more fun than this, I tell you. Right. Steering rack moving
Moving a lot.
a lot.
Although I thought that clamp down, but I guess I used the wrong ones. Minor. That
minor.
little-
The car busting shots though, I hear that.
It was black smoking. So that means
Rich.
really.
At least the engine safe.
But then too, this car fucking weird though because the injectors clog up and the car burning rich. It's looking like it's burning rich, but
And moving.
this car just like you.
Hey, listen. Crazy ideas had to come from a crazy guy, and as I always tell people, you can't fight crazy with crazy. Somebody wanted to bring a crazy person to fight with, man. You know what? You can't do that. Yeah, so that's where we're going. But I don't have the fuel tank sorted out. Hopefully I'll be able to pick that up. Assembly. Once this car reach young, it will be in better hands. And it's only water and blessed. Once it reach young in civilization, it will be much better. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys on this spot. Open. Salt water, red lavender, ammonia. Ammonia! What you flicking gizmos you gotta be doing now? What is we putting on in these kind of positions, eh?
Fucking you.
You have no
Hose
hose
bus.
to, yeah, hose bus. We have no hose to accommodate for that. So you know what we gotta do? Jerry rig it.
Yeah, right now we are about 10 minutes away from our destination.
And we'll have to suffice until.
We have to roll over the radiator on coke. Open the car overheat, we change the belt. Luckily, I had a spare. So, we get on. We have fucking shut on them. Fucking mamu, eh? I'm revving on my fucking car. Give me punching.
Yeah, nah, shut.
Somebody give you punching?
Eh?
Somebody give you punching?
Nah, Ned, we didn't even get to reach proper. I tell you. Very optimistic. Alright.
For the best.
Hoping for the best. That was shocking me, you know, all the lights and everything working in the car. And enough smoke just to get packed up.
You need to drink some of this water, yes?
Take a sip. Hey, surprisingly, my actuators are not working. I pressing the door lock button to flick and put on the window. That time I hit and shriek. I was like, wow, that's crazy.
Come, there you go. We gotta look for water. Come on, then follow me.
Literally going and look for water. Let me see if they build this new highway good enough. Hopefully the government watching we and they could be able to give you a sponsor.
Does this have water in this drain?
It's looking like more sun. Huh?
You know, funny enough, I didn't see myself doing this.
The color the passport there. I just already.
I didn't see myself doing this. But with my car.
What? You had deja vu? Things. Well, boy, the usual. All of my cars is packed up in the same spot every time. Any mornings, we have made it under some serious problems, but we here. At least I know they could get work on properly by the Jerry. So when we attacking Jerry van and we attacking his car, he go attack himself. This is my problem, huh? Yeah, because a hose bust out on me. Well, use put my personal one now, but you could have fit in the top hose, the one, this one. You didn't see any cloth? But this is a, I don't even know what to say this is. But it's crazy to see that this car is down here. Something with the tail light and that light on, boy.
Yeah.
It's crazy. But we here. We make it. Wow, this has been a long awaited. Congratulations to me, and thanks very much to Alex and the problems that I put in him through. But we here. I think I'll close up this video here because this video quite long. But that's it. The C32 is starting, it's running, it's driving barely, but it's back slowly. So whilst one here, the other one is up there. Hopefully sometime in daytime I'll be able to come and, you know, do videos on it. But that's enough. That's enough. I had enough adrenaline and I'm going to close out that video. You guys have gotten the update on C32. It is down here. It is running. On to the next. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.
That's supposed to be red enough. It's fucking wrong. Brand new pump and filter. Brand new. Got fucking rust.